What's up, and welcome to Python 101, a new series all about Python programming language. This series is a very basic crash course on computer programming and Python, and hopefully by the end, you'll be able to do whatever you want on your own. Why learn Python? Well, there are many reasons. CS, or computer science, is one of the fastest growing fields out there, and many jobs that haven't even been created will need CS skills. Python is a simple, interpretive language. It's just like English, and anyone can learn. It's also functional. Using packages, you can do all sorts of things like build apps, do artificial intelligence or AI, machine learning, ML, and even learn other languages. So let's get started. First off, what is programming? Programming is giving instructions to the computer so the computer can perform certain things that you wish it to do. To program, we need to write in a language the computer can understand, one of which is Python. First, let's pull up a website I like to use called Replit. You can separately download Python via Python's website, but I like to use Replit because it's web-based, so you can use it anytime on any device. If you download Python, make sure you choose Python 3, version 3, the latest version. Okay, now we're in Replit. Go ahead and open a new REPL. Make sure you choose Python and not some other language. And that should take us to this page. The first thing we're going to do is print Hello World, which is a very classic intro activity. Remember, Python is super simple, so we can type this just like in English. Print over here is a function that tells the computer to give an output. The output is exactly contained here within the parentheses. To type text, you need to put your info in quotations. Python is also flexible, so either single or double quotes will work in this case, as seen here. Click Run, and boom, your text is now printed out to the computer. Now I want to point out a quick thing called comments. If you type out a hashtag, you can write comments. The computer reader, called the compiler, will skip this and not execute or run this line. While this may not seem useful now, it will be later, and when you write complicated code, it's generally good practice to document your work. See, the compiler skips it. A final thing to note is that Python files are saved as .py, seen over here, similar to .pdf or .wordx you might have seen before. So congratulations, you've written your first piece of code.